Welcome to Natural Remedies.
Has your baby just started weaning? Are you thinking of introducing rice water in his diet? Do you wonder, is rice water good for babies? If you answered yes to any one of these questions, you might want to watch this video. There are many benefits of rice water for infants. We list some of them below. Treat diarrhea. Rice water for diarrhea for babies? Yes, rice water is an effective cure for diarrhea and other gastrointestinal problems. A research paper by British researchers concludes that oral ingestion of rice water could efficiently decrease stool output in babies. It helps treat mild to moderate gastroenteritis. Take 1 cup of rice water and boil it in 3 cups of water for 15 minutes. Give your baby 4 ounces of rice water every 4 hours or until the symptoms abate. Fever. Rice water can also help bring your baby's fever down. Simply, boil the rice in 2 to 3 cups of water until the rice is cooked. Strain the water and feed it to your infant in small portions. Provides energy. Regular consumption of rice water helps energize your infant instantly. Rice water contains high levels of carbohydrates that help fulfill your baby's energy requirement after a long day of play. Also, rice water is easily digestible. Eczema. Did you know that rice water could help cure your baby's eczema? As incredible as it sounds, it's true. Young babies are often victims of eczema, a common form of dermatitis. The condition is extremely uncomfortable. Take 2 cups of rice water and mix it in your baby's bathing water. The oils present in rice will moisturize your little one's skin, soothing the dry patches of eczema. Note: never replace rice water for breast milk or formula milk. Now that you know the benefits of rice water for baby, share this video with fellow moms. When did you introduce rice water to your infant's diet? How did he react to it? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more health tips and recipes.